Just had a little storm pass through. Now I just came from a little walk and ran into this weird looking system. As you see, clouds hanging low. Got a little bit rotation, but I wouldn't call it nothing severe. Look at that. Probably a little bit of inflow. I can feel the wind getting sucked in a little bit. It's all warm. Oh, look at that. That's rotating. I don't think it's tornadic by any stretch of the imagination. I think we're just getting a moderate to light severe thunderstorm. Didn't see any warnings before I left the house, so I'm guessing that's what it is. This little system moving through. Yesterday, one of the coolest out of the entire week. Then got up till about 80. And, oh, holy crap. Look at that rotation. Oh, we got a funnel, y'all. Look at that. Oh, wow. That is crazy. That is rotating. Ooh, look at that. Jeez. Turn to the side so y'all can see it clearly. It's rotating. Now I don't know whether to call that a funnel. Shit. That looks bad right there. It really does. And now I'm standing right underneath it. Directly underneath it. So, oh no. Like I said, I don't hear any tornado sirens, or we didn't have any warnings before I left the house, but that is freaky, y'all. That is totally rotating. Like, no bull. It's really rotating. Look at that. Oh. What we're looking at right here, it doesn't look too friendly, but not doubt it's a tornado. Look like a funnel for real, because you got dual rotation. You got one right here, and you got one right here. Like a boundary front or something. It's something that's sucking in all the warmth. Whatever it is building, y'all. It is building. Alright. I will keep you updated. See if anything come out of this or not, but it looks kind of freaky, so I'll go in the house and check the forecast.